Welcome, in front of me is a REALME 8 Pro, and today I will show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you will want to go into the settings. From here, find storage. So for me, it's right over here. And at the bottom, you'll find your SD card. Once you tap on it, it will give you the option to format SD card. Now, before you proceed with this, I'm going to warn you that performing this will basically remove all the data from the card, and that if there's anything that you would like to keep, like as an example, photos, music, stuff like that, then you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it, or you might just not want to, tap on Format SD card and do that once more. For some reason, we also need to confirm the screen lock for SD card, and then we can actually tap on Format SD card once more to actually get going with it. And there we go, SD card formatted, so tap on OK and you're completely done. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.